All right, guys, so we have a 2026 Toyota Tacoma 4-cylinder turbo. We're gonna do a bunch of different muffler tests for you guys, so you guys don't have to guess which one to go with. If you do have one of these Tacomas, that way you don't have to guess. We're doing all the guesswork for you guys. All right, so here we go. The first one we're gonna go with is no muffler, fully straight pipe right after the cat. Decibels on that, right at 87, right at 87. All right, give it gas. How do you like that one? Too loud though. It's too loud. Okay, you go ahead, one more. So that's right at 98. All right, so that's straight pipe. That's the first one. We're gonna start with Carvin R. Go ahead, put it in. So this is Carvin R. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. How do you like that one? Better, right? So that's Carvin R. Here's sound decibels on that. Go ahead. Made it louder. It's 102. Dude, it made it louder. It made it 102. That's crazy. One more. All right. Next, we are going to do the NTR by Natami Pro Series. Here we go. You don't like that one. Here's sound decibels on the Natami. Go ahead. So it's right at 102 also. All right, take it off. Black Widow Angry Housewife. Here we go. Go ahead. Wow, I like that one. She likes it too. And he likes it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So right at 99. One more. So far it's the Black Widow. Is the Magnaflow Magnapack. All right, here we go. Go ahead. You don't like that one. Again. Here's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. So it's right at 97. You like that one or no? Black Widow so far. Okay, no on that one. So that's the Magnaflow Magnapack. So this is the Big Boss 4. Here we go. Go ahead. Black Widow so far. Okay. That's the Big Boss. One more. Here's sound decibels. 101. All right, so they've decided on the Black Widow Angry Housewife. That's the one they're gonna go with. I'm gonna let you guys hear it one last time, okay? Go ahead. So the Black Widow it is. That's the winner. Now remember guys, these Tundras come with another resonator back here off the tailpipe. So when we put the Black Widow, this resonator will make it about 30% quieter. So it's gonna even refine the sound even more, okay? Here's my finger. Anyways, so we might cut this off later on, but we'll let you guys hear it after we're done completely with it. Stay tuned. 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD 4-cylinder turbo 2.4 liter. There's the cat, downpipe. Goes all the way over here. Then, as you guys can see, we installed a Black Widow. Black Widow Angry Housewife. Here's the part number. There will be a link in the description for it, right there. Then continue with added pipe because the muffler was huge. Then over the rear end, and there's the stock resonator that we kept on it. He said he wants to do it in stages. I said, absolutely, we got you. So Resonator's on it. There's the Black Widow right there. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Guys, Toyota Tacoma 4-cylinder turbo with Black Widow, Angry Housewife, muffler swap. Go ahead, stock resonator. Definitely made it 10 decibels quieter. It's more refined. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 94. You like it or you want it louder? It's 94. Go ahead again. You like it like this? Okay, perfect. All right, one more. Go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Tacoma, here we go. This is outside now. Go ahead, Black Widow, Angry Housewife. What do you guys think of the new body style on these? You guys like them? Let me know in the comments. Or do you like the older body style? It's like the more boxy style now. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.